Add your music. Add your fave music to that dance. Hey besties, do you want to stay fit and active without setting your foot in a gym? Well, you are in luck because that's exactly what I do and I just keep going with it. So in this video, I'll be sharing my free and fun ways to stay active while at home. I've got unique things that you can do to keep your body moving, to stay active, because the goal is to stay active every single day. Plus, I'll be sharing a bonus point to sneak in 1 or 2 movements while your day is getting all busy. Stay tuned. If you're new and just seeing my face, my name is IDAK. I talk about everything healthy living, healthy lifestyle, including staying on top of your finances.
Oh my God! Wow!
If you're ready to ditch the gym to step up this our baby girl lifestyle, yeah, this video is for you. The first one is obvious because I'm just here. This is where all the magic happens. So for me, I go up and down my staircase. I'm going to insert a video of how I do it. So I go up and down the staircase for like 10 to 20 times in a day at one go. If I need to get anything upstairs, I run upstairs, and I need to get anything downstairs, I'm running down the stairs. Walking down the staircase gets my heart pumping and also at the same time tones my leg. Who doesn't want to have a fine leg? I have a fine leg. I want to keep having my fine legs going on for me. I'm sure you want to find legs as well. So run up the staircase, get your heart pumping, and get your legs toned. Look, running up and down the staircase is perfect. Perfect for us busy moms. You can even do it while you're doing laundry. You can do it while you're playing with your kids. It's just perfect for busy moms. If you have a staircase, make good use of it. Run up and down that staircase. Stop walking. Stop going, sluggish on the staircase. Run up and down the staircase, and let me know how you feel when you do that in the comment section. Before I proceed, I want to do a disclaimer. I am not a health professional. I am just IDAK, just a normal mom doing her thing and also sharing what I do that works for me, that makes me look this way with a fellow woman out there. So if you have any health issues, any health condition, and you're not sure whether you can do what I'm going to suggest that you do, please speak to a health professional, your GP or a nutritionist. They are in a better position to advise. Okay, let's continue. One of my absolute favorite workouts is going for long walks. So I go for long walks 1 to 2 hours, 3 times a week. For me, these are the reasons why I enjoy going for my long walk. Walking is a full body, low impact workout. It works on your legs, your core, and even your arms. Sometimes I take it fast, I jog, and sometimes I take it very slow, depending on my mood. Walking is amazing for mental health. So when I go on walks, I have my AirPods, I plug it in, I'm listening to music. It's for my me time. Look, when I go for walks, I go me time. I don't like to do it with my partner. So many times he wants to go out, he's like, babe, let's go. I'm like, no, go alone. Walking for me is my me time. Sometimes I go out with him, but most times I love to be by myself so I can take that time to listen to podcasts, listen to vibe to my music, or just walking around nature and just enjoying the sound of nature. I enjoy walking. Do you know that walking is great for maintaining your weight? Come close, come here. Come. You didn't know? Try walking for 3 months and tell me if you put on any weight. You're not going to put on any weight if you walk for 3 months, but check what you eat first. You can't go for walks and then come back and load 10 wraps of a bar with pounded yam and egusi. Waiting. Come on now. You are going to spoil the whole thing. Okay? Check what you eat and then walk 1 to 2 hours 3 times a day to maintain your weight. So my pro tip on walking, I would say, one, try different routes. Don't use the same route. Try different routes. Check out their environment. Make sure the scenery is different every time. Fun and exciting when you use different routes to do your walking. Okay. I started off this video dancing. Yeah. Do you know why I was dancing? Because dancing burns calories while you're having fun. Make I talk am again. If you love to move to music, then dancing is your perfect way to stay active at home. Yes, dance. Hey, serious dancing, boogie it out. Boogie, dance. Do you know why dancing is a staple in my routine? Let me tell you. Dancing is a full body cardio workout. Yes, it is. Dancing works your legs, your arm, and core. Plus, it also gives you balance. Plus, it also boosts your coordination and flexibility. Another reason why I love to dance is because it's fun and it's stress relieving. So I pop on my favorite playlist. Yeah, I have a playlist. You can create your playlist. I love Afro music, and just let it loose. I free myself. So when I'm dancing, it feels like I am partying and also doing a workout. So I sweat a lot after dancing. Another reason why I enjoy dancing, let me tell you, it's great. Dancing is great for busy mom. I am a busy mom. I have 4 kids, my dear. I am busy. If I'm not doing this one's homework, I am cooking, I am doing chores, I am calling out, come and do your chores. I am shouting, I am doing it. Oh, it's great for busy moms because even while I'm cooking, I am dancing, I'm vibing to it. They know me, they love to dance with me. So we dance a lot in my home. So those are my core, workout at home. Now, let me give you some bonus tips. I will give you 3 bonus tips to add to what we've already discussed. Before I give you my bonus tips, I want you to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel because I know you're loving the vibe. For you to stay up to this point, you're feeling me. You are feeling me, bestie. You're already my bestie. So please subscribe and turn on the notification so that you get notified whenever I drop another video. The first bonus tip is the body weight exercises. I have some weights that I lift at home. I do squats. I'm beginning to learn to do push-up. Push-up wasn't really my thing. Add on body weight exercises to the other ones we've spoke about. So number 2 will be stretching and yoga. Yoga, simple. There are so many yoga exercises you can get on YouTube. When you stretch and do yoga, you're going to give your body the allowance to be more flexible and more mobile. And the last tip, I love this last tip. If you have kids, please play with your kids. Play with your kids. Jump on the bed with them. Dance with them. Do hide and seek with your kids. Playing with kids is a sneaky way to keep moving while having fun. You're going to lose weight while playing with the kids. Okay? Bonding time, play. I mean, serious play, Don't just go and sit down. What did you do today? Play. Jump on the bed. Go up and down the staircase, do hide and seek. Yeah? You will love it. Your body will love it as well. And that's how I stay active without going to the gym. Found these tips helpful? Please hit the like button and remember to subscribe. Share this video to one of your girlfriends, to your bestie, to a woman that you think will be happy to see my face and enjoy these tips. And we'll do this. What is your favorite way of staying active without going to the gym? Drop it in the comment section below. Let's share ideas and motivate. Thanks for watching. Remember, be healthy, do healthy. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.